Okay, so today we are unboxing the Ubiquiti Cloud Gateway Ultra. It's recently been out of stock in the UK and I've managed to get my hands on it now. For a little while there, they were offering to send you EU versions, and obviously I had the wrong plug and stuff, so I waited out until the UK stock was back. So I know it's been out for a little while now, but for any of those who have been waiting specifically for the stock to come back in, and they're now just umming and ahhing, this is just a little unboxing. I know there's loads out there, but got to add content. So here we go, let's unbox it. So let's start off with why I bought the Cloud Gateway Ultra. I've got a home environment with a couple of VMs and Home Assistant and various different things. So obviously I need to start taking security a bit more seriously. I also have multiple VLANs in the house, and the existing Draytech can only do 2 separate VLANs. This obviously allows me to do a lot more. So I'm planning to do a bit more of an IoT VLAN, and then the various different VLANs for the virtualization, and just kind of go from there. Currently, like I said, I've only got 2. IoT isn't separated, so I really want to start doing that. And yeah, we'll get to it with this. So, starting off, just pull this tab. We've got the setup QR code right there, which no one will probably ever use, but sometimes it's worth just doing, just in case. Right then, so inside we have the unit itself in plastic wrap. On the back we've got our 2.5 gig port WAN, and then our gigabit LAN ports. Currently, in terms of my ISP and connection into the house, we've got 1 gigabit down. So for the features of this is ideal. And obviously, if we wanted to turn off the security features and use a different appliance, we're set for 2.5 gig on the WAN, so that's great. What else have we got in the box? We have, oh, it's all inside here. Okay, cool. I seem to have dropped, that seems to have fallen down the side. So it's that little warranty card or manual that comes with it. We do have a cat. Doesn't say. Oh, it's a little tiny kind of almost like headphone cable, kind of Ethernet cable in the box. It's only about half a meter, so yeah. We've got the cover that comes on top of the box, and then we've got our power, which just dropped some stuff. There's a bunch of feet that come in the box, just loose. I don't really like the fact it was loose. It could have easily been lost, but whatever. And then it looks like this is already being mangled with some reason, or put on weirdly. Odd. But anyway, so yeah, this is just a normal 15.3 watt or 15 watt USB power. So yes, I was wondering that. I was wondering if it was just going to be a USB-C on this end, and it's not. It's actually molded in. So if I would have bought the EU unit, I would have been stuck with a converter. So EU to UK adapter. So I'm glad I waited for that, and there's obviously USB-C on this end. So that's all good. And there doesn't look to be anything else in the box. So looking more at the unit itself, I'll take the plastic off. So we've got our little LED matrix or LCD there. I can't remember which technology it's using. But reset button, once again, gigabit ports and the WAN, USB-C for power, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, I'm quite happy that it's arrived, and we actually managed to get some in the UK. But I'm going to add the feet at some point. I will add the feet. But yeah, I think that's tidy. Once again, IDS and IPS are the core reasons why I'm switching from my Draytech, to be honest, as well as hopefully natting. The Draytech has always kind of been moderate on NAT type when, online gaming and things like that. So this may assist with that because, yeah, UPnP and things like that, not exactly secure, but at the same time, I want to be able to get all that done without doing manual port mapping. But we shall see, and I'm going to do a couple of follow-up videos on this. Hopefully it's going to be more of a comparison between my old Draytech, and if there's any performance uplift or functionality that's kind of more seamless, because the Draytech UI is, to say the least, a little bit clunky. Some things are worded a bit odd. There's certain features on my existing unit that if you enable, it kind of drops the performance down by half, so I had to disable a lot of features. Obviously it didn't do intrusion prevention or intrusion detection, so yeah, I'm looking forward to doing that. So stay tuned, subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll be putting up the video hopefully sometime this coming week. So thank you for watching, and see you later.